Long live the king! We're not in medieval times, and you got it. DJI is going to be the one that you want to look for. The king is dead! Well, like I said, we're not in medieval times. You're looking for a trustworthy camera that will grab video, beautiful highlights, make the video nice and bright during the day, nighttime. Look no further. I'm not selling you. I'm not pushing you. Just check all the videos out. Make the decision for yourself. Then go out and get yourself a troublesome camera known as GoPro. They dug their own little graves, and DJI is rubbing it in their faces. If I could just have like light painting like the vehicle painting GoPro has, and time lapse of night lapse, DJI, you'll be the star. I gotta take a walk over there in the morning, show you the cars. Oh yeah, so I got my last part. I'm good to go. Wasn't about this part. It's about DJI trying to be king, GoPro losing his crown. Like I said, we're not in medieval times. Just don't get me wrong. Get the camera you like, the best. If it's DJI, GoPro, Insta, Sony, or whatever. Just have fun sharing your story with whatever you got. And that is what I'm saying. Time for me to go put my part in and have a pleasant day. This is the part I got. The other one goes on to here. Not this particular one. But all the way in here, there's the port. And if you see, there is a hole, there is a plug that you got to be careful. It goes right in that hole. Oh, don't fall. I got to get that bolt out. My finger is in the hole because, like I said, this will just fall in there like no tomorrow. So here's the piece. You do your best to put in the hole towards the passenger side, and you're going to push down as firmly as you can to have it seated in there. Now once you do that, then you're able to start to put the bolt in. Well, it's no fun when this thing, you just got to plug it in. Plug it up, baby. Now hopefully I got it. I can't see. I'm blinded by all the lights and stars. I'm trying my best to get the bolt running down, and maybe I'll take a screwdriver and tap the edges. I feel I got it started. There it is. Go get myself a 10mm tool, a socket, and tying up all my sensors. This one, the one over there, the one over there. So I'm going to plug this in and I'm done.